Alright, so if you're having some cold start issues, this is what I did in order to make that better. So what I ended up doing is upping the amount of fuel that it takes in during the start. Now, I don't have a USB CAN bus cable, and so I was thinking, well, can I even do it through the handheld? And this is what I did on the handheld only without the USB. So you go to those 4 squares and you go to tuning. Tuning, you go to fuel. Fuel, you go to basic, and then you scroll down. These are the 2 items that I changed. The fuel power on percent is 150% now. I believe that was at right around 98. I think it came factory. And the fuel prime percent, I upped it to 225. I can't remember which one is which, because now I'm just playing with it, trying to figure out how these things work, because again, the manual doesn't really cover a lot of this stuff. So by upping 150%, I believe that is when it's throwing in 150% more fuel during the start cycle. Okay, and then priming is 225%. I believe this is the fuel shot that it throws into the intake manifold right as you turn the key to the run position. You hear the pump kick on and you hear the little injectors going off. I think it's throwing 225% of fuel in there. That's why it only cranks once or twice now. Like you could hear go 1 or 2 revolutions and then it starts right away. So try messing with these 2 things if you're having a cold start issue and see if that helps you out. So once you've selected what you want, like let's say you want to change that one, we're going to go to fuel prime percent, and then you're going to hit the check mark. You're going to change it either by dragging or by the 2 plus or the minus sign. And then what you do in order to save is you're going to hit this little file icon up here. And there you go. So that's how you're going to change those. So I'm trying 150% and 225% for the fuel prime percentage. And I think that that's what fixed it for me. So give that a try and see if that works for you. All right. Let's see what we see. Let's see if it starts. Okay. That started a lot quicker. And I haven't driven this in about 3 or 4 days, so that was a lot quicker than before. Here's where it starts to die. Oh, and it stays running. Alright, apparently it's not going to die, so this is a good thing. We'll give this a try.